Good morning, my name is Steven.
And I'm Jalen, and welcome aboard Carnival Miracle.
Today we're going to do a room tour of 4159 here aboard. We're in a category 4K, which is obstructed view window. So we get a window, but we have an obstructed view. But it's still a window nevertheless, and it's a wonderful room. So come along with us as we do a full tour. So as always, we like to start off our room tours in the front, and here on the front door you can find all these safety instructions in case of an emergency. Then the favorite thing that we like on this ship is that there's a little card holder for your room attendant. So we always know who your room attendant is, and you have the number to call for extra service.
All right here we have some closets. We have some hangers and the life jacket. We have a second closet with 2 hanging racks. And then we have a third closet. And this one is all shelves, and there is a nice full-length mirror so you can check your outfit and make sure you look snazzy.
Then across the hall you can find the bathroom, which we really like this bathroom a lot.
I'm kind of obsessed with it.
For starters, of course, you have the toilet and the sink with a lot of shelf space and a nice mirror. And there's also a little mirror there to go get a close-up look of yourself or of me. Hello. Then on the opposite side is the shower.
The shower. It's been a while since I've had a curtain on a cruise ship, and I'm not mad because it feels more spacious. And then, I don't know, I'd say that there's a decent amount of room. Shower head detaches, and they have shampoo and shower gel. No conditioner though, which gotta keep those ends hydrated, so bring your own conditioner. A little soap rack for if you bring your own soap. I do want to say I love the color of the counter. I feel like it really brightens up the room and makes it feel a little bit bigger. That's all for the bathroom.
Then there's a few hooks for you in case if you want to hook up some jackets or your snoozing sign to let people know to not bother you because you're asleep. Then over here we have the vanity, which is a nice mirror to take a look at yourself, and there's some lights on the side for you to make it even brighter. That's where you find the phone. There is a light switch for the mirror, and here is where we find our power outlets, which we kind of have a complaint. There's only one 120 volt is what I think it's called, but I usually always call it American because all of us Americans use it. There's the international plug, which is a 220. I'm kind of learning this. I've never really seen the names there before, but anywho, there's only one for us to use, which might be a big problem.
Yeah, I will say we have a little adapter thing that I love using. It gives us more outlets, and it is cruising safe. Link in description if you're interested. We have it on our Amazon storefront.
Yeah, it's also because you can't bring on anything with a surge protector, so you got to make sure there's no surge protector in any splitters or any extension cords.
Yeah, so the one that we have is made specifically for cruises, so we know it's always going to be safe.
Then over here we have some drawers that open up, and there's a hair dryer that is always loaded.
Extend too far, so keep that in mind. And then some other drawer storage, decent sizes. Some are big, some are small. Of course, we have a little chair that pulls out here.
And the trash can's found all the way below too.
Yes.
Here's a drawer with a laundry bag and a little slip for you to go fill out in case if you want to do laundry on board. It does cost extra, but it's nice to know that they have it available for you, and you can just ask your room steward if you want service for it.
We also have the mini fridge. Oh, and my bag is in there, just cooling it off. I mean, I don't really know what you're gonna put in here other than maybe a couple bottles of water or something, but it's not all that big. And then up here, we have the safe. Standard cruise size safe, can put your keys and wallet in, but laptop's not gonna fit.
And here's a small little TV up above. Not the biggest TV on a cruise ship, but it is a TV.
It was on earlier and it was not doing too good. It was making some noises and glitching out a bit, so not too trustworthy of a TV, but that's okay. This is Carnival. There's always a party going on. We don't need TV. And of course, some water to buy. As of right now, it's $4.25. Could be more expensive by the time you're on this cruise.
Across the way, we have a nice little couch. That is also where you might find your towels. Carnival does give you towels to borrow throughout the duration of the cruise. Just make sure you leave it here in the cabin by the end of it.
Are welcome to take these off of the ship. So if you're going to the beach, you can take them with you and you know, that way you don't have to bring your own towel.
Then here's a little coffee table where usually you'll find like the fun times, which is the cruise planner, any shore excursion tickets, or any good to know information. It's always going to be there if you're going to come and find it, and that's where we found it on this cruise. Then the most important part.
The bed. Ooh. Wait, this is actually kind of comfy.
So one thing that is interesting about cruising is that these beds actually split apart, and you can kind of notice the crease right there. So it's meant to be apart or together depending on the configuration you prefer. So if you don't like the person, that you're with, then you can split the beds. That way you don't have to be in the same bed. Or if you happen to like them enough, then maybe you could put the bed together. But honestly, it's all up to your choice.
And one thing I like that Carnival does is they provide this mat on the bed where you can put your suitcase up on it, so you're not getting like the gross stuff from your suitcase all over the bed. Down here we have a little bit of storage, and of course our little side lamps.
And then there's a little light switch over there that controls the room, so in case if you're not awake enough and you're just tired and you want to turn off the lights, you can do it, because sometimes when you reach the bed, you don't want to get up. So
especially when the switch is all the way over there.
So the convenience of having the switch right in front of the bed, so nice.
Then on the opposite side, we have the same exact thing. Little nightstand and a light.
So basically, if you want to charge anything at night near your bed, like your phone, you're not going to be able to do it. Like I said, the only plug that we have is over by the dresser.
Wow, that's really unfortunate. There really is only one outlet.
And it tends to be the problem on some of the older ships. I wish they would have updated in the last refit, but they quite frankly did not do that. So
let's unplug the TV. All right, now time for the main attraction, the window. Hey, is this thing on? Oh yeah, it's just nighttime.
So for your convenience, we'll go ahead and show a few shots of us in port. This is an obstructed view. Though you can't see it in the night, there is a lifeboat right in front of us, but this cabin in particular is right in between two lifeboats, so we kind of get somewhat of a view, as you can see right now.
So yeah, I am so excited that we have a window. It's not a balcony, and it's not the most perfect view, but hey, it's not just a blank wall. I'm so happy about it. And that about wraps up our room tour.
So I hope you enjoyed this room tour. If you have any questions about the room, we'll be happy to answer it down in the comment section below. If you're interested in seeing our full Carnival Miracles series while we're on board, check that out right there. We go on a 4-night cruise out of Long Beach, which was super fun and super exciting. So thank you so much for watching. As always, this isn't a goodbye, but just
a see you real soon.